Hello and welcome to our beginner's guide on portrait photography in different lighting conditions. Today, we're going to explore how to take great portrait photos using two methods: natural light bouncing and strobe lighting. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, we'll help you to get fantastic results. Plus, we're going to be using beautiful Kate backdrops hand-painted canvas to make your photos look even better. Let's begin with constant light. This method is great when you have good constant light from sources like lamps, ceiling lights, or LED lights, like the ones we're using today. Just find a room with soft, gentle constant light, and that's it. You're gonna have to put your subject in a spot where that light is facing towards him. This soft light can make your portraits look really nice. To make the light even better, you can use a simple whiteboard or reflector like this one. You have to put it on the opposite side of the light source to bounce some of that light back to your subject. This actually helps to reduce the shadows and makes your portraits look even and smooth. The Kate backdrop that we're going to be using is going to help us to make a beautiful background for these pictures. We're going to start with constant light. Like I said, we have the LED, we have the reflector, we have our amazing subject, and we have the Kate backdrop hand-painted canvas. This is going to complement amazing because you can actually see the texture, and it's going to help us to bring out the best of our photos. So we're going to start, like I said, bouncing these, and we're going to measure the light. It tells us to do 3.6, 3.2. We're going to take some pictures. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, crazy face. Again, that's amazing. I love that one. So we got an amazing shot because we're bouncing the light. So this is the source of the light, and it's bouncing here in this reflector, which is white. And the light, if you see, is reflecting here, and it's creating a soft, beautiful light. When you need more control, or when the light is a little bit tricky, we use strobes. That's why we put our subject in the right spot. We have the softbox, we have the strobe, and we have the amazing Kate backdrops hand-painted canvas. I'm gonna get my camera and I'm gonna meter the light that we have as the output. 3.2 as the aperture, 100 ISO, and 160 shutter speed. Let's do some tests. 1, 2, 3. This is amazing. One more time, 1, 2, 3. Lower your chin a little bit better like that. 1, 2, 3, and now a crazy face. There you go, that's amazing. Photographing portraits in different light conditions is an important skill for any photographer. Whether you choose constant light or strobes, practice is key to getting better. Over time, you will become more comfortable and skilled at taking beautiful portraits in different settings, with the added of the beautiful Kate backdrops hand-painted canvas. You have to keep experimenting, learning, improving your skills, and stay tuned for more photo tips and tutorials coming your way.